If you're someone who is struggling with stress, who feels like stuck in life or not making much progress, wait till the end. I have something special for you today. Okay? As I spoke about my journey yesterday, last day, how I was struggling with stress and how I started overcoming that by implementing some learnings from the books, from the online content that I was consuming, and how I evolved in this, right? So it took me 10 good years, 10 good years to improve myself and improve my life. Yes. And my journey or my personal growth accelerated when I joined some coaches, trainers, mentors in the year 2019. And that time I was wishing कि I wish I had these coaches or this guidance with me in the year 2010. By now, how much progress I would have made. Yes, but nevertheless, God has a bigger and broader vision for us. That's why I'm sitting here today speaking about all this. And not everybody has the courage to speak about their personal issues. Yes, yeah. So, this stress, as I mentioned yesterday, could be because of anything. It could be related to our health, it could be related to our relationships, it could be related to our financial conditions or our personal self esteem, self confidence, right? There could be any reason for the stress. बट वेन दिस स्ट्रेस इज़ प्रोलॉन्ग्ड, जब बहुत टाइम के लिए ये लॉन्गर स्ट्रेस में चले जाते हैं, कॉन्स्टेंट स्ट्रेस होता है, राइट, इट स्टार्ट्स हैम्परिंग अस, हैम्परिंग आवर मेंटल हेल्थ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, राइट. It hampers our energy. It hampers our energy. And that energy impacts all other areas of life. For example, my energy is not good. I'm not feeling good inside because of anything, right? How I will show up to my relatives, to my loved ones. I'll be irritated, right? I'll be screaming, I'll be shouting, or I'll not be even answering sometimes. Yes. So the same bad energy would be reflecting back on me, and my relationship would be going haywire. Yes, it happens. If with the same bad energy I'm showing up at my work, again low performance, वहाँ पे भी कुछ ना कुछ clashes हो सकते हैं. So our energy impacts or hampers, bad energy hampers all areas of life. Yes. So it's not that like कि हम अगर अपने ऊपर काम करेंगे, if we start working on ourselves, हमारी लाइफ में challenges नहीं होंगे, challenges हमेशा होंगे. Yes, life throws challenges at us. And life throws bigger challenges at us when it thinks that we are capable of handling those. ठीक है? So challenges हमेशा होंगे, but see, the problem is not that we have problems. The problem is not doing something about those problems. In 2020, 2019, when I started working I started working under the guidance of my coaches, trainers. Then I started observing people. And when I observed my family, my friends, my colleagues at work, I felt like everybody is having some or the other kind of challenge, right? But they are not doing anything about that. They are just living that. They think that life is all about challenges. So उन्होंने उसको accept कर लिया है कि life is to be lived like that only. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. If we take charge of our life, we can actually start working on this, and we can actually start handling or dealing with this stress, with these challenges very well. And life can be very beautiful, you know. It is a beautiful journey. Now I feel that. Yes, we just need that one intention to improve. एक intention चाहिए बस. Once you have that intention, आपके पास बहुत सारे options open हो जाते हैं how you will improve. Yeah. So when I was in IT, I was in 2020, and I was doing this life coaching also side by side over the weekends, because I had some contractual obligations from my organization side that I cannot get involved in something that pays me. So मैं over the weekends उसको कर रही थी, and my reach was very limited. बहुत कम लोगों को मैं रीच कर पा रही थी, बिकॉज आई कुड नॉट शो अप टू द सोशल मीडिया कि हाँ मैं ये कर सकती हूँ ओपनली, राइट. देन आई हर्ड वन ऑफ माई मेंटर सेइंग दैट अगर आपके पास किसी चीज़ का क्योर है, इफ़ यू कैन हेल्प समबडी, इफ़ योर गाइडेंस कैन हेल्प समबडी, if you can reduce someone's sufferings, and you are holding that thing, that skill to yourself, you are actually doing a disservice. है ना? अगर मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल कैंसर, अगर मेरे पास कैंसर का इलाज है और मैं वो सिर्फ अपने तक ही रख रही हूँ, देन इट इज़ अ डिससर्विस ना. हाउ आई कैन गो एंड हेल्प सो मेनी पीपल? आई मस्ट डू दैट. यस. सो दैट डे आई डिसाइडेड कि अभी तो मुझे ये फुल टाइम करना है. So I started progressing on that, and last year I left my job. Last year I left my job and started doing this full time. So now I am on a mission to help 100,000 people, especially these working professionals, because I understand their pain. Yes, I have been through that phase. So I want to help them to take full charge of their life, and I help them to manifest their dream life. So I want to build an army of extraordinary who live beyond excuses. क्योंकि हमारे पास excuses बहुत सारे होते हैं. मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. I'm too busy to do all those things I want to do. I have the intention but I don't have time. सबसे बड़ा excuse है. You know why? क्योंकि आप उस चीज़ को कभी प्रायोरिटी नहीं दे रहे हो. Yes, when you will keep that thing on the priority, you will be able to resolve that. Yes, so हमारी resistances होती हैं. हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. I don't have money. और अभी नहीं करेंगे, कल करेंगे, कल करेंगे, कल करेंगे. सो कल कल में पूरी लाइफ निकल जाती है. यस. सो इफ़ यू आर समवन हु वॉन्ट्स टू लिव a better life, who wants to upgrade the quality of your life, who wants to start living an excused free life, today I would like to invite you. I would like to invite you to my world, my community. To start with, you can join my FB group, okay, where I'll be showing up from next week in the live itself, and I'll be giving some free trainings. And when you join that group, please introduce yourself and you go to the guides section. There is a free PDF available there for the beginners. Sign up and just access that PDF and start working on that. You know, whatever you will receive from me will be very action oriented, because I feel that only actions gives us the results. Yeah. So start working on those, start implementing those learnings from the PDF. Do that for 1 week and you will see a shift in your energy. All right. So that's about it today. I will come again tomorrow live. So today I just wanted to talk about what I do. I help people, right, to struggle, who are struggling with stress, to help them break free from the stress, discover fulfillment. क्योंकि जब हम एक बार हम अपने आप से जुड़ जाते हैं ना, how do we feel that fulfillment? When we are connected with ourselves, when we are connected with the divine. So I help people to connect with themselves, find that fulfillment. And fulfillment क्या होता है? No matter what is happening in the outside world, आपके अंदर का जो world है ना, you are very happy in that. Yes. So yes, I'll be giving you some free trainings in the FB group related to that. Please join that and enjoy those free learnings. And I hope I'll be able to help you out. So I'm signing off from this live today, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. God bless you.